welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and just a few more updates on this video. Plus, I got some yarn off Amazon. First, to give an update from my last video I did when I was in Cedar Rapids. We are home and we are safe, and my husband is doing very well. Matter of fact, he's doing better than he was in a long time. So whatever was going on for a while, it got fixed. Probably an infection because he was on antibiotics for like 3 days through IV. So he's doing much better. So I want to thank everybody for their prayers. Well, we will be going to his doctor later this afternoon or today. This is Friday. Happy Friday, by the way. We'll be seeing the doctor later, and he will have an appointment. Maybe discuss what happened, what was going on. So I do plan, even though I have been ignoring this project for a while, but I will bring my t-shirt project that I started way back in May as the result, as I was trying to be part of the Tanks at Tees Challenge 2023. That has been long since over. That was Nina's Knots Crochet. But I do want to kind of finish it before the year is over, and I will work on that a little bit today. So other things I've been working on is my Mystery Yarn Challenge project, which I didn't bring with me on vacation. So now since I've been back, I've been trying to ramp up and get that done. So, oh, by the way, speaking of Mystery Yarn Challenge, which is hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef, I am wearing the sweater I made because it's cold in my room today. It's a little, I think this is the coldest it's been. I don't want to say the year, but now we're into fall and winter, and now it's cold out today, and it's cold in my room, and now I'm wearing this jacket. Also, November, she's kicking off November's Mystery Yarn Challenge, so check out your channel if you want to participate in that. I am still on the fence if I want to participate in November yet or not, because I do have the other projects I want to get done by the end of the year, which one includes that t-shirt I just mentioned. And plus I got a hat. I want to get this hat done by the end of the year. Get that done. And I want to get some like Christmas projects going on, so I'm not sure if I want to have time to work on a Mystery Yarn Challenge, but I do love doing the Mystery Yarn Challenges, so I'm kind of, like I said, I'm kind of on the fence if I want to do it. So speaking of Mystery Yarn Challenge, this is October's. I am making a tote. So with the yarn I got, that is the update for the Mystery Yarn Challenge for October. So it's getting, I want to make it, it's probably tall enough to start putting handles, but I think I want it a little more taller before I put handles on it. I want to make a big tote. I have plenty enough yarn to make a big tote. So yeah, and pretty much all the other I've been kind of, yeah, and then I know I can't talk today. I'm sorry. The blanket, the Granny Square Make-Along, I don't think I've worked on that since I've been back. Obviously, I've been keeping up to date with the scarf temperature blanket, which is this one. Actually, yeah, I think, because I think the high for today already happened like at midnight. So yeah, now I gotta put this one 40s. I gotta remember, yeah, I think this is this color. I had to remember what color the 40s, because I haven't used that since, way back whenever this was back here. So yeah, I'm in the 40s. I think the 40s is the high today, but I will verify that before I work on the blanket. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's going to be back to this one. Now it's getting cold. It is officially fall. It is into winter. It's getting cold. So that is all I have for this video. Because I think I was also gonna do, I think I was 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 g I was going to do the yarn haul I got from Amazon, but I will make that a separate video. And because I am all over the place, I did work a little bit on the snowman. I was trying to incorporate the hat in with the head, but I don't like that. Matter of fact, the snowman looks pretty scary. So yeah, I'm not a fan of that. So I think I'm just going to make another hat to put over the head. I don't like how the mouth turned out, so I think I'm going to make a scarf and maybe cover up some of that mouth. Kind of make it less scary, though we are in October, so I guess it can be a scary snowman. But anyway, that is, I think, nope, there was one other project I started. It was a dishcloth, but I will save that one for probably what's going to be my last Scrubby Sunday. Because I think I started another dishcloth, and I think I'm going to do a tutorial on, which I think I learned is now the Suzette stitch. But I think there's also, I might do another dishcloth tutorial, which I think is like the spider stitch. But I think it's a slight variation of the spider stitch, so. Anyway, I've done enough babbling. We are now officially done with this video. So, if you did like this video, please give it a like. I want to see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now.